In this video, you're going to learn what you should do right now with Bitcoin, SHIBA update with accurate trade ideas, Dogecoin and Ethereum trading plans, and at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you industry coins in that industry is going to pump by 5-10x during next few months. I have inside info from people from exchanges. Let's start. Friends, before we start, I ask all of you to push like, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the bell because you will get so many useful updates in crypto space that will help you make money. Support me, support this channel, and I'll help you to make money. Let's go. First one. I hope all of you saw, I hope all of you follow me in our free public Telegram channel, where during previous week, I hope you remember when I told so many times that Bitcoin is going to be pumped. Bitcoin is going to be pumped. Take a look. It is October 14, I shoot a video. After that, another video, Bitcoin is ready to explode. It was 12th of October. Whole entire week I told about Bitcoin up. Why? Because my friends, because Bitcoin after massive accumulation, there was no signals of weakness and sell pressure. At this moment, take a look what's going on and what I don't like on Bitcoin, and I think you will understand me. Imagine that on Friday, we had the most important news about first BTC ETF approval, but take a look on the price. There is no price reaction because first Bitcoin rise up by nearly from morning. Bitcoin rise from 56 to by 10%, and during SEC ETF approval, take a look, only this small tail happened. That means during such big news, there is nearly no bull reaction. Honestly, my friends, I don't like it because it reminds me, Bitcoin CME start launch, because if some of you in crypto space long enough, I think you would remember that in December 7, 2017, there were Bitcoin CME launch, and take a look what happened after that, 7th of December, and after that massive drop. And also there was so many people get excited about Bitcoin that it's going to launch on CME, and everyone expected 100K. But after that, take a look what happened, massive drop. At this moment, I don't think that such massive drop could happen. I personally think that for Bitcoin, it would be good if there would be something like here. Take a look. Before Bitcoin hit previous all-time high, what happened? Big range for 28 days, and after that beautiful breakout and continue off uptrend. The same beautiful uprise without nearly no pullbacks, range, and beautiful range. Honestly, if Bitcoin at this moment will create such range before its previous all-time high, I will be really so happy, my friends, because that would be a signal that Bitcoin will continue uprise. Because at this moment, I don't like that Bitcoin rise before such amazing news as SEC approval. Bitcoin rise by 53%, and there is no bullish reaction. That means, let me summarize. I think that at this moment there could be some pullback on Bitcoin to take stop losses of greed bulls that will take it with big leverage. Best for us would be if Bitcoin create range. During the time, altcoins could be pumped. That's why, my friends, I will be happy to see it. Before I will cover another coins, I invite you to join our free crypto workshop where I'll show you strategies that me and my team use, strategies that help us make money. Take a look in our public Telegram channels, here whole invitation. I'll share with you how we trade breakout, reasons why most of the people lose money and how to avoid those mistakes, and how to master our trading strategy. Take a look, here are some results of our strategy. When Bitcoin was in a bear market, we made nearly 50% on previous month. Some of our students, take a look, in August made 400%. I remember my partner in August, during start of bull market, made 771% on his risky futures account. That's why. Below this video there would be link invitation. Right now sign up, it's for free, only 500 people will be invited, and and remember that it will be alive. Let's go. Let's go to second part about Ethereum and SHIBA. First, I'll cover SHIBA Dogecoin, and Ethereum will be at the end. About SHIBA coin, friends, take a look. This local trend line, they broke it, but they failed to go on. At this moment, I personally didn't trade this local trend line breakout on SHIBA. As I told all of you, for me, the best scenario will be if there would be false breakout at this key level. I set alert here, as you can see, and this one's the best. Second trade idea, it would be if there would be beautiful trend line breakout patterns. That's why I personally will trade SHIBA in two cases. First case, false breakout, this key level. Second, trend line breakout pattern of this trend line. I wait for it, and I recommend wait for you too. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, my friends, also looks really so bullish. Ethereum honestly looks even a little bit better than Bitcoin. At this moment on Ethereum, it broke beautiful ranges, areas of accumulation. And if there would be retest of this area, it would be the best opportunity to open long trade ideas. That's why retest of this trend line, it is the best what you can do with Ethereum. And few words about Dogecoin, friends. For those of you that are in Dogecoin, honestly, it's really bad because take a look what's going on in Dogecoin. It is in the middle of this range. There's nothing special, nothing happens. At this moment, what I see only this massive trend line. And if price will come back and squeeze to this trend line, and once more, I think there could be trend line. Everything depends how powerful that trend line will be. If after such trend line break up, there would be trap. That means market is not interesting in up movement, and I would recommend you to run away from this coin, because during whole market got pumped, Dogecoin didn't pump. That means at this moment, like big guys just could move to SHIBA coin and make their plans with SHIBA. Because at this moment, even when Elon Musk pumps something about his dogs, SHIBA got pumped, not Dogecoin. That's the reason why I think at this moment SHIBA far more interesting than Dogecoin. Okay, let's do a part when I recommend you, when I promise to you area of coins that could be so soon could pump quite a lot. It is, my friends. Let me open Axie Infinity. I know people from exchanges. I can tell you which exchange, but I can tell you that, friends, Gamify project like Axie Infinity is a next hype in crypto, and at this moment quite a lot of Gamify projects are going to be pumped so much, especially those that are not listed on major exchanges. They are far more interested, because at this moment I see how media influencers start this topic, and I get such insight from one guy, from important man in one exchange. He told me also that during next few months Gamify projects could pump so much. That's why if this video gained more than 500 comments, that Yuri, show me your portfolio, Gamify portfolio, I'll show you coins that potentially could make 20-50x for you. That's why take care, remember to join free workshop, and remember to write a comment. Thank you.